Hey guys, I've had a number of people reach out to me and say that there is a TSB that's been released by Toyota that's internal to dealerships that's recommending 5w-30 for the third gen Tundras. I've heard this from several people. I looked into it. I couldn't find anything about it. So I reached out to Toyota and asked, and here's the truth. Okay, so I reached out to a Toyota service advisor that I know who's given me a lot of good information in the past. So I reached out to him and I checked. I said, I have a number of people that have told me that there's a TSB for my truck now in Toyota's system that's recommending 5w-30 for my engine if it's operating in severe conditions. So I'm towing and working with the truck. Is this true? And I gave him the TSB. I think it's TSB 0094-23 is what the number is. So I said, hey, can you check this? Can you find this in your system or something similar to it that's recommending a different oil weight than what's recommended in my owner's manual? And he came back to me and said that that number does not exist in the internal system. He looked it up, couldn't find it. And nothing that relates to that topic, changing oil viscosity for the Tundra, exists from what he found. So this is not true, and it's a rumor online, so you've got to be careful what you do find and see online. It's not, it could appear to be true, but it's not true. Okay, so what this means is that Toyota is still officially only recommending 0W20 for the third gen Tundra, the Sequoia, the Lexus vehicles that have the V35A engine in them. We've identified in several videos that the international manuals for the same vehicles are offering a range of oils to pick from for the owners based on operating conditions. And so officially in the US and Canada, there is only one choice, where officially outside of the US and Canada, there are multiple choices for your vehicle. So if you're an owner who's kind of prioritizing long-term ownership and durability and not so concerned with a short warranty window of 60,000 miles or 5 years, maybe you should be looking at some of those international manuals and running oil according to that strategy. If you're looking at a vehicle that you just want to keep and maintain your warranty and have no questions asked, just kind of continue to use the 0W20 and shorten that oil change interval to a 3,000 to 5,000 mile interval max, and you should be good to go. Once you get out of warranty, then you can maybe change your strategy. But officially, Toyota in North America and Canada and the US is only recommending 0W20 still. So that myth is busted. What does it mean for warranty? If you were to have a warranty claim and you're using 5W-30, the official policy is that Toyota would have to prove that the 5W-30 oil you're running in your engine is the cause of the failure. If Toyota voids your warranty and voids your claim, denies your claim, you'd then have to go to court. We all know that Toyota has a lot more money and a lot of lawyers on their side that we don't have as an owner. So it's pretty unrealistic to think you're going to legally take down Toyota in court and get your vehicle covered, your warranty reestablished. So it is risky. It's risky about anything. They can deny your warranty for a lot of different reasons, way beyond just what oil you're using. So you've got to be very careful. Warranty is a touchy subject. There's a lot of fine print in the manuals, in the owner's manuals, in the literature that you get when you purchase a vehicle that you've got to really be aware of. Now, I have had a number of subscribers reach out and share with me that their local Toyota dealerships are recommending and putting 5W-30 in their Tundras. Okay, so this could be possible at your local level. Dealerships might be doing this at their level, but it's not an official Toyota policy. And that's really interesting. If a Toyota dealership is servicing your vehicle with 5W-30, post a comment down below and let us know what they say, because they would then have to go to Toyota for warranty coverage if there is an issue. What would be the outcome of that? I don't know. Curious if someone is receiving 5W-30 from a Toyota dealership during service while under warranty, what do they say about that possibility? I'd be interested to hear about that. Okay, so I am running 5w-30 in my truck right now, and I'm coming up on the window where I'm going to be taking an oil sample and sending it into a laboratory. This will be my first direct comparison to 0w-20 that I did an oil sample on in my truck, and I'm really interested to share that with you guys. So stay tuned. That'll be coming soon, and we're going to take a look at what the direct comparison is between the two oils on this first analysis, and then I'll continue to do some future samples to track that. So we'll have a really good indicator here. If we see the numbers are about the same, that'll be really interesting. If we see the numbers are improved, that'll be really interesting too. So stay tuned, that'll be coming shortly. But I wanted to share this update that I did reach out to Toyota and confirmed from someone with a toyota.com email address that this TSB is not true. It's circulating on the internet. It's not, there's nothing in their system that shows this as an actual valid TSB number. So be careful what you find on the internet. It's not all true, but this one is myth busted, okay? It's not true. We'll keep an eye on it. If things do change, that'll be interesting. All right, guys, thanks for joining. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.